So, this is Electric Cowboy Louisville. I'm Wes. This is Allison. And we worked the hustle whip today. We did 3 finishes to it. We started with the sugar, keeping 2 hands. Then we did this thing. We went 5 and 6 prep. On the end of 6, we go 1, 2, or 1 around 2. Notice that I'm completely over my right foot. I have my right hand just to my back a little bit. I'm staying very close to the slot. So I'm keeping this hand behind me because I don't want to be here in leading this. I want the hand close together. That's not confused. That could be confusing in the rotation. So then 3 and 4, I'm going to let her go away. 3 and I'm going to step down the line to bring her forward because I don't want to stand here. I don't want to step straight across and pull her with my arms. So 4 is down the line. Again, I'm going to do the same move, stepping across. 5, and I'm going to let her go out. 6, finish, 7, and 8. So the move will be 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So then we did an inside turn free spin. Cool. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, stop, 4. I'm going down line radar. I'm going to step forward to my right. I'm going to bring my right hand inside and release her. 6, finish, 6, 7, and 8. Without stopping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right? So then we did an inside turn finish, an inside turn, which looked like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to open up 5. I'm going to release this hand, bring this hand up. Her momentum will carry her through. 6 will anchor, 7, and 8. Right? So without stopping. 1, 2, 3, and 4, open 5, around 6, 7, and 8. And then we did 2 hands over for the fun of it, right? Just to let you know that you can go 1 hand in either direction, but you can also go 2. 1, 2, 3, stop, 4. I'm going to bring my right hand up and inside, both hands up, right hand inside, go over right, then left, anchor 7 and 8. Then we did a sugar push, just kept 1 hand, picked it up again, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, stop, 6. That's what we did, folks. Thank you all so much. We'll go back and do it again. Take a break. We're going to take a 2-song break. See you in a minute.